Hi guys, today I'm going to be talking about this little fan here. It looks like a Hampton Bay something, and it's a ceiling fan. So let's get started with the walkthrough of this thing. Okay guys, I'm sorry I can't get a better view, but that's all I can do for you. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. The switch, the light's on. This is a pull chain fan, instead of the other two fans being remote controlled. So let's go ahead and turn this thing on. Okay. That's the lights. Okay, and here's the fan. Low speed. Low speed. Okay. Give it like 30 seconds to speed up. Alright. Pretty basic ceiling fan stuff. This is kind of like the ceiling fan in my random ceiling fan video that was at my friend's house. I think this might even be an identical model to that one. Alright. Medium now. Okay. Oh, can you hear that? I can hear a little like a washing machine whine from it. Alright, pretty fast. Let's go up to high speed. This thing wobbles a little, so want to be a little careful. Oh, okay. Light off for ya. Oh, the globe's rattling. Alright, that's it for me. Spin down. I don't know how long this takes for a spin down. But yeah. And now we wait. Might take a few minutes. I think out of the three fans here, that Westinghouse has the shortest spin down, followed by I think this thing. Then I'd say that Palm Breeze looking thing. That would be next. This thing has some pretty steeply pitched blades, though. For this, I mean. It looks like it has a spinner motor, probably. And I mean, it's a flush mount fan. It's not a hugger, but it's a close mount fan. I think that's what I meant to say. It doesn't really have a down rod. It's the canopy and the other canopy possibly, and then just the motor. And that's it. Alright, I think we're almost done here. And obviously the last few seconds of this feels like eternity. Alright, come on, stop already. It's gonna be anytime. Anytime. Okay. That was it. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed that video of this fan. Let's turn it off for ya. Yeah, bye.